on the jacket. I got cold. This is a basically, I think all midi skirts are high-waisted, but I don't know. I have a short torso. Yeah, I have a short torso. Yeah. So I guess this seems high-waisted to me, but it's a midi skirt. This is tartan or tartan. Some tartan. It's tartan, I think. Anyway, plaid red skirt that I got from Boohoo. This was about $6. Matter of fact, it was $6. I think I got it during their like after New Year 60% deal, 60% off deal that they were having. Now everything is 80% off. So I mean, a good deal is a good deal. 60%, 80%. Usually their stuff is 50%. So Boohoo is very known for their sales and their discount codes and all of that stuff. And to me, I haven't came across too many Boohoo items that were complete trash. I had one dress that I ordered for graduation that I had to send back because if the wind blew, you would have seen my treasure chest, and I just can't walk across the stage like that. But this skirt I really like. I mean, red, this type of red, it just screams, it screams holiday. But at the same time, me personally, I would definitely wear this this skirt in the summertime with like some creeper type sneakers or whatever, and maybe like a distressed graphic band tee, because it kind of has like that, plaid has that punk rock type of feel to it, and I like that look. So yeah, I would wear this skirt all year long. Again, it was $6. I like it. I really like this, and I like the fit because it made me look like I got some junk in the trunk. I did that. Anyway, this shirt, I have been eyeing this shirt for a while. Okay, and I don't know, shirts like this, I like that type of look, like my hand covered up and I'm all like cozy and stuff. It really doesn't give me that. I like animal print, anything but snake. Hate snake, will never wear snake, can't even look at snakes, even if they on the TV, even if they across the country, even if they in a different continent. I cannot look at snakes. I hate the look of snake, and I cannot look at snake skin clothing. Like, I just hate snakes so much. I could never wear snake skin. Even out of, haha, the snake dead, I got you made into a pair of shoes or a pair, you know, a belt, or I got your skin made into a purse. I don't know. I'm not hateful like that. I am hateful when it comes to snakes. I just cannot look at snakes. I hate snake skin. But this zebra, I like this, but it's a little short. It has like the fake turtleneck look going on to it, but I didn't know it was going to be short like this. So I don't care for this at all. Probably will be giving this away. A moment of silence for this color, okay? A moment of silence. So, this sweater is actually supposed to be a dress. I don't know on who. That was plus size, because it's from the plus size section. Clearly on plus size. How is this supposed to be a dress on anybody plus? Like 10, 12, 14. Possibly if they were short, I could almost kind of sort of not really type of see it being a dress, but I'm almost 5'7", I believe. There go, bam, there go my treasure chest, bam, right there, right where this seam at, bam, there's it. So this was never gonna be a dress, and I knew it wasn't gonna be a dress when I ordered it. I just wanted it as a sweater, that's it, because I love this color. I had been looking for a lime green sweater that was cheap, because I'm cheap, and I found it on Boohoo. I believe this was $12, either $12 or $15. If you go on their site right now, they have a lot of these sweaters and some cardigans with this like thick material on sale right now from like $12 to like $18. So yeah, this was never going to be a dress for me. This is just so cute. I love lime green. I really do. I love lime green. Love it. So yeah, not much to say about this. I freaking love this color. I love how thick it is. It's freezing. Perfect, perfect, perfect weather. Now, some people don't like lime green in winter, but whatever. I do. I love it. Love it. Eh. 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 Okay, so I like the color. I don't know. This is my second time trying this on. Now I'm really not caring for it too much. This was $8, I believe. No more than $10. I don't even think I paid $10 for it. So yeah, I'm not too much caring for this right now. It's weird because when I got it and tried it on, I'm like, oh, okay, I like it. You know, throw it on with some boots, jacket, as an outfit, not to like walk out in. I would definitely still be wearing a coat because it's that cold. But just trying to come up with an outfit, I liked it better when I first got it. But now that I have it on again, I'm like, eh, it's okay. It's okay. It's weird because the midi skirt fits better, like that tapered leg type of look that a midi dress is supposed to have. Like, this doesn't have it. It's kind of loose at the knee, which, I mean, it's fine. It looks very casual, like something you would throw on if it was a little bit warmer outside with a jacket and some sneakers or something. Just call it a day. I mean, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. I love this color though. I'm just one of them plus size women that don't really like their stomach being completely just in your face. I don't really care for that. Like, this right here is not the cutest to me. That's not cute. And no, I don't hate myself. I don't hate my body and all of that. I don't care for my body, and I'm improving on things, but I'm just one of the people that don't like that. So yeah, I don't really care for this. It's okay. It is legit okay. And for the price that I paid for it, like I said, less than $10, I won't even trip, and I'm definitely not going to send it back. So yeah, this is okay. But anyway, that's it. Leave me some suggestions of places that I should do hauls on, or inside the dressing room. I haven't done inside the dressing room in like a year. So leave me some suggestions for videos. I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.